I would like to thank you, along with my San Francisco flying partners for choosing United. We realize you have a choice of carriers, and we truly do appreciate your business. Thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Hilo. A quick pit stop before we go for our first snorkel.
This was a beach with soft sand, shallow waters with turquoise blue color, perfect for beginner snorkeling.
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday that you will join us, and the world will be at one.
Our plan for the entire day was to explore the Hawaii Volcanos National Park.
I would suggest stopping by Steam Fence and Steaming Bluff first. Those are 5 minutes down the road to the right, and there you'll be able to look into the caldera and the crater of the volcano, and you'll also see steam rising out of the ground. That's from the steam vents, and you'll feel like you're standing in a sauna while you're out there. Then, once you're done in that area, if no one in your group has any breathing concerns like asthma or anything along those lines, you can head right across the street to Sulphur Banks. It'll take about 5 to maybe 10-minute walk to get there.
And then we drove through the Crater Rim Road, which is the major access road in the park and also turned out to be very scenic.
We are walking the Kilalua Iki Trail. On our side is the huge Kilalua Iki crater, which we don't intend to cover.
Because we are very lazy.
Bhavya, more content. On the third day of our trip, we were all set to visit the south side of the island, starting with this very easy to pronounce national park. On the fourth day, we planned to visit the north side of the island, which had wonderful coffee shops leading to this beautiful Waipo Valley overlook. Then we visited the Akaka Falls State Park, which had a very short hike to the falls.
This was one of the lava tubes we visited, which, as the name says, was formed by molten lava flow years ago.
We decided to stop at a local flea market for souvenir hunting on our way to see the sunset at Mauna Kea.